everybody, welcome to Bass and Bonsai, no bananas edition. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a good one. Buckle up and hang on, here we go. That is a huge, giant, largemouth bass. Hello everybody, good morning and welcome to Bass and Bonsai. It's on. It is dead quiet out here. There's no wind. There's actually storms coming, so we're just getting on the water. I don't have all my stuff out here in case I have to like abandon ship and get back to the truck, but we are hopefully going to get on a topwater bite again like we did the last time we were here. So buckle up and hang on. Let's get to catching some bass. Definitely not the bite we had last time, but there is one right there, little bitty dude, but he is a jumper. Little dude, but it's on fire for jumping. There we go. That didn't take long, minute or so. We have our first topwater bass that is hooked weird. Come on. We're gonna keep going. There could be a big one at any spot along this bank. There's a little one right where he was. That's maybe a bluegill. Come on. No, there's a little chunk, same size roughly. Roughly the same size. That's two in like less than 3 minutes. Well, maybe that's a warm up. I hope I'm woke up enough. If we get a big hit, I'll be ready. Like that. Whoa! They are like loaded up right there. That's a better bass, not a giant. Hear that drag though? And I got it pretty tight. This is a 8-pound leader. That's a good 2-pounder, solid bass. Jump again for him. Jump again, let's see ya. Come on. You're gonna jump right when you get over here by me. Right when you get over here, you're gonna... Tearing them up. BFS or ultralight topwater fishing, can't beat it, boys and girls. I'll tell you that right now. Usually these little poppers. Doesn't require a real stout rod to get a good hook set. That is a nice chunk. Awesome. I'm gonna hook myself if I don't watch it. I got the camera all crooked. Awesome bass. And I get a lot of crap for holding them up like that. And yeah, they look huge, but I usually do this. You can, you know, I'm a, well, decent sized guy. You can tell how big they are. That is a beautiful patterned. Now that side looks kind of plain. See all those distinctive marks on that side? That's an awesome looking bass. Perfect size, healthy bass. Let's see if old girl's gonna jump. Get back out there and get some more. Come on, girl. No. They're actually hitting real subtle. Like if I just toss it out, either let it set a little while or barely tug on it. Don't actually fully pop it. A little bitty dude, but see that? When I'm just barely making a disturbance is when they seem to like it best. That dude's gonna end up hooking me. He's hooked on the hair of his chinny chin chin. Beautiful bass. We got to go for a big one. We need that big bass. Now I may have to give it a big pop here and there to try to entice a big one if I don't get a hit from a big one, but it's like 5 bass right in that one area. I'm gonna scoot back a little. That's a good one too. Wow. Oh, he was just hitting at it, didn't even get it in his mouth either. Look at that boat flip. Get in there. That's a big bass. Hold still. You're gonna need my help for sure. You hooked all kinds of weird. That wasn't too bad. That is a beautiful largemouth bass. But we're gonna try to catch bigger. Crazy. All of our bass this morning, I don't know why I'm whispering, but have come from this little hole right over here. Once I got to this area, it's just where they're from, like right there. And a little cutout. And there's another hit, a little bitty one. That's what I've found a lot of times, even in clear water, and you may not catch them all, but I've seen it where the spot you catch a fish, there's like 5 or 6 bass. They talk about out in deeper water, they run in schools. A lot of times up along the bank, they still run them what I call like little packs. You know, there's 3 to 5 of any size, like grouped together, but usually 1 or 2 you can catch, and the commotion, you know, just makes the others shut off. They won't hit your bait. But sometimes, like a good bite or morning, you can set and catch every one of them. It's almost like they're out in little, you know, hunting groups or parties or something. Come on, I need a big bass. Come on, where are you at? You ain't big. You're nice. BFS gear, but you ain't big. I need your mama or your grandma. Yeah, I need your mama or your grandma. Where's she at? Where's this one's mama or grandma? Uh-oh. Time to get up. Time to get up for work. Thought I was dreaming there for a minute. I thought my alarm was going to wake me up. I'm like, no, I'm on a good topwater bite. I'm like, oh, that's just a phone in my pocket. I am on a good topwater bite. Sweet. That is a little bitty fish. That is a crappie. Well, crappie got to eat too, right? That dude was just hooked. Cast one way out there. Oh, he missed it. No, he got it that time. All right. Okay, there we go. Got a mean one. Oh, he's vicious. That is a nice bass. Whoa. Right into the trolling motor. Get over here. And he came off. Quick release. Pro level 100. Think of that, huh? Look at that. Caught a bass, right back out. On it again. Oh, look at that. Pro level 200. We don't want that little old bass. What about that cast? Oh, right there at the boat, just like we wanted. That's a big crappie. Holy cow. That is a huge crappie. This is eating size crappie. Oh my God. Look at this freaking crappie. That is like a pound crappie. Blowing it up on Topwater. My goodness. That's probably not a pound. I don't have nothing with me. Oh man. I don't know for sure, but that's not far. That's probably 3/4 of a pound. Very nice though. It'd be a good eater, but guess what? I don't have no ice, no way to keep it fresh or nothing. So unless I wanted to flay it and eat it right here raw, ain't happening. Whew. We'll take just a second. We'll let this one go. For everybody that eats crappie, watch this. For all you guys that love eating crappie, I just want you guys take a moment while I let this one go and watch. This is how you release a big crappie. You gonna jump? Jump! No. Oh, I know. It was hard for some of you guys to watch that, wasn't it? Whoa. Let's get on them. All right, boys and girls, this is like the last cast. Time to catch a showstopper. The storm's coming. I can feel a few sprinkles on me. I'm running out of memory. I just had a hit right here, but I erased the footage so I could have the memory card. But buckle up and hang on, because this is all the marbles. We're gonna catch you one more bass and I'm gonna get out of here. Oh, over the stick, under the stick, come on. Oh, and there he is. He is oh, that is a killer. Showstopper extraordinaire. Look at that monster. Told you he was there. He wanted it. Quick release, that's how you do it. All right, I am seriously gonna get out of here. It's any time now. It could be game over for us. So if you like this video, wait a minute. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, help share this channel, tell everybody you know about Bass and Bonsai. I know I can't stop fishing. I would like to thank you guys. I think we are helping share the channel more. I appreciate it. We are growing daily, but you know, we're getting close to 6,000 subscribers. That's a good thing. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, get out of here. Go bass fishing for yourself. Go to Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart, wherever. Pick up a little juniper bush or some kind of little plant tree. Create your own bonsai, all right? Good, got it? Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gone. I'm leaving right now. I don't get struck by lightning. I'm leaving. Here I go. Look at me, watch me. Here I go. Leaving. Putting the trolling motor on high right now. I am, seriously. Trolling motor is on. Woo! Yeah. I just knew, I told you guys there's more in there. When you catch one, there's more. I couldn't help it. I'm sorry. I know. Bad person. Well, that's a good showstopper. Ah! All right, get out of here for real. I'm leaving. I am. Exactly how we do it. Big largemouth bass. Let's see if it'll jump. That is a beauty. We're gonna jump. Yeah! Woo! The taste of success. But really. You guys still here? What are you still doing here? I'm leaving, seriously. Look, there's a truck right there. I'm out of here. Storm's coming. I'm gone. Whoa. There we go. Just past. I mean, like 2 foot past that spot where that may be a better one. All right, final bass of this video. I'm gonna probably have this one on the end. That is a good one.